first day guys. So for today's video, we're going to St. Louis Zoo in Missouri. Wala pagkadako ba niyang karga o duha ka buok di ay gamay og dako. Uy, Ginoo. The volume, babe. Hala, tulips, plenty tulips.
Yeah, let's worry about that. See what's
Wow.
going on.
Noon sila.
This is Forest Park, and we're
Going to
supposed to go that way. Son of a bitch.
a lot of cars and parking man din eh. So we're going now to the St. Louis
Trying to get back to the zoo.
Zoo. Where is the zoo?
It's back that way. I
Oh.
should have went the other way, but you had me turn the radio down.
Sorry. Wow, plenty tulips of the daffodil. Wow. We're going to the zoo now. Zoo. Daghang daffodil diri oh. Oh, naamas mga tulips guys. Oh. So naa namin diri sa sulod namin sa ilahang zoo diri sa St. Louis. Nice oh. Alas din. Inside the zoo. Namin sa sulod. Kasi makita nato diri. Treetop shop and zoo exit. Kanami din silang gift shop kay of course ang mga kuan nato diha. Hala. Oh, nice. Oh, mga ref magnets, souvenir. Ngita ko souvenir o pagali mi naka kuana na mi dayon dire. Ni sulod na dayon mi dire. Wa pa mi kasuroy.